We're on the Grand Tour, which takes you to all the best places in, apparently. And we are at the goat's cheese farm. And these are produce all the goat's cheese, obviously. And there's hundreds of them inside as well, so Casa del Queso. Yeah, so we got the cheese place, as we call it. Yeah, and I can recommend the smoky cheese. They do 3 types of cheese, and they do, and the smoky one to me was the best one. And you've got this lunar landscape of ex-volcanoes. Well, I hope they're ex-volcanoes. I'm not actually sure if any of them are active. Yeah, you've got there's not much grass about. It's all volcanic ash, and it's very, very barren, as you can see. This is the making. Ah, there we are.
Take one. Esa mujer que se acerca a picar ahí. They make very nice dish here actually. It's like a ragu, potatoes. Yes.
So we're at this village, and one of the weird things about this village, it's actually got a church that was built by Mexicans. Now, they don't know how the Mexicans got here, but to all my Mexican friends, this is the only Mexican built Catholic church in Spain or anywhere. So yeah, so it was either built by a priest who was from Mexico or who had been to Mexico. So you'll see all the friezes, as I think they're called. And you've got your, is it Aztec or Mayan? So that's this church which we're going to go into. I don't know if we can film, but plus I know it's dark in there, so, and can't see anything about the history. I always like to know how old things are. Well, we're in here now, so the only thing is I could get thrown out. There we go. I think they're okay, because I know a lot of churches don't like cameras. So it's a basic little church, but as I said, it's the only one in a Mexican style. It's the only But now we've got to the aloe vera farm, and the aloe vera was the main, for thousands of years, the main defence for sun, the main sun cream. They make all sorts out of it, which I'm sure they're going to tell me now. And as you can see, we're in the middle of all these ex-volcanoes. That one's still got some ash coming down it. So I once have been like round here 10,000 years ago, so when all these volcanoes were active. Oh! Yeah, there's your aloe vera. I'm sure we're going to tie some. I know it's very good, we use it all the time. The aloe vera gel, what you get from Holland and Barrett's, which is, what is it, about £9 a tube. Yeah, highly recommended stuff for sunburn. Yeah, I've got some aloe vera, so, and I'm gonna use it because I have got sunburn. And you can't get any more natural, 100% natural. Ugh. I'll do the rest of me now. Ugh. It's very, very slippy though. Yeah. So we're in the ancient capital of the Canary Islands, Betancuria, which is still high up but not as bad as before. So we have, this is the old church. Yeah, so it's about 500 people live here now, but this used to be the capital of all the Canary Islands because it was safe from the pirates, and it's well inland, so that's why. Probably got the oldest church as well, which we're going to go in. Yeah, so this is the historic centre of the Canary Islands. But same as everywhere, all the young people have moved out. You don't get many young people these days living in mountain villages, you know, so here we are. I think you have to pay for going here, I think. So I think you have to pay, maybe no cameras. What does it say? €2. There we go. It's €2, so I'm not being tight, but I don't think you can video anyway. So yeah, I'd like to know the history though. Like, this is the only thing I find in all Spain, is that there is no information about the buildings at all on the outside, or even on the inside half the time. So we don't know the year. Oh, well spotted drain pipes, yeah, just pieces of wood, aren't they? And that one looks like it's going to collapse any time. So what we're talking? We're talking like 1500s, I should think. And just for my friend Laura in the United States, I'll have to take a picture. There we go. Because she's got a thing for doors. There you go. Okay, that's the actually I think it's a monastery, isn't it, as well? So we're at the highest point. It's not actually the highest point, but it's the highest point a vehicle can get to. If you see, and this road is mad. It is single lane. It's a single lane with hardly any barriers. You will see, hopefully, well I don't think so, when two cars or a bus and a car pass each other. Here we go.
Don't mind my look, probably better.
I thought you would have tried it before you stuck it on.
No. This is